So you just complete this up to here. This is another sign which we have to create another model. Complete, press enter to complete. Now select this X, snap to grid. X, snap to grid. Okay. Now select this surface revolve. Got this. Then after that, I'm just selecting one cube. Just I'm placing this cube here. Okay. Right click, go to vertex. This is a cube. Mesh tool is there. Mesh tool here. In mesh tool, insert edge loop. Insert edge loop. I'll add one edge loop here. One edge loop here. One edge loop here. Go to vertex. Mesh tools. One more edge loop here. One more here. The more you add, you can get more detail. So right click, go to face. I'm selecting this face and this face. Control D, select this. So what I'm doing, so I'm selecting this face and this face. Okay. Mesh tools. Sorry, edit mesh, extrude. Like this. Same way, I'm selecting this. Control D, selecting. Edit mesh, extrude. It's like this. Edit mesh, extrude. Okay. Something like this. So which I got it like this. I'm gonna place this here. Okay, something like this. Right. Delete this and group this. Okay. Understood up to here? Any doubt is there?
No.
Okay. So same task, but we need to repeat a lot. Okay. So what I'll do for time being, I'll place all this. Next, I'll create one plane. I'll create one plane like this. Press 5. You can see like this. Now I'll show you how to apply a material. I'll show you how to apply one material to this. Right click, assign new material. So this one, okay, since this is of Maya 18, you have V-Ray materials or even go to render
Wait, sir.
settings.
Sorry, sir.
No. Yeah, tell me.
My Maya doesn't have V-Ray or Arnold. It only has Maya
Which
software,
version?
hardware.
Which version?
2018. There's only
2018.
Maya software,
Okay.
hardware, and vector.
Go to Windows.
I've tried with the plugin manager M2A.
Okay.
Well, Arnold doesn't work.
Okay, Arnold is not installed then. You have to install separately. Maya 18 by default it will come. Okay. So here, if you just come down, you have V-Ray for Maya. It should be on. Okay, I think I have installed additionally. Okay, V-Ray for Maya you should on. And I have installed Mental Ray also. It's a plugin again, Maya to MR. You can download these plugins separately. Okay. I have installed many things. Substance is there. Substance for Maya to Arnold. M2A is Maya Arnold. Okay. By default, this will be installed. If it is not, Maya to Arnold for 2018, you can download. You check your plugin. M2A is there. It should be there. This is default. So just
No, it is there. It's just not loaded.
Yeah,
and
load it.
anytime I do
You
load
need to load.
it doesn't.
You need
Anytime I load it doesn't. When I go to the render settings, it's just blank, and it doesn't render.
Okay, I think you download again or you install separately. What I suggest is you download. How do you download Maya?
Torrent.
Okay, so go to a site called gfxpers.net. gfxpers.net. From here you get a proper one. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So now here what I'll do. Anyhow, I have Arnold. So Arnold standard is there. EI standard is there. I'll take that. I'll apply AI standard. Or else let me apply a simple Maya material, default basic Maya material. Go to Maya surface. Here blend will be there. Select the blend. Here color is there, no? Here this box is there. Click on this particular box. You have 2D textures. Checker. Click on checker. You get this checker. Okay. You get the checker. Understood? Okay. UV planar y-axis project. So I did a mapping also. I'll show you how I did mapping. Okay, it was something like this. Select the plane. Select this. Go to UV, planar mapping, option box. Here y-axis, project. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll select this pawn. Just place it over here. You make it quite like this. Place it in the center. Control D, duplicate. Just place it over here. Shift D. Okay. Now select all this. Deselect plane. Control D. Just place it here. So it should come here. This should come here. Okay. So we have created like this. Then select this group. Just place this here. So I'm gonna make increase the size of this. So just place it here. So I'm duplicating this. Place it here. Again, I duplicate this. Place it here. So this part is done. Now I'm selecting this one. This I'm placing here. Just I'm placing it here. Little upside. So I'm duplicating this and I'm placing this here. And I duplicate this. I place this here. So after this, we have two more. Just place this here like this. Okay. After this, just duplicate this. Just place it here. Just place it here. Like this. Understood? So now I'm selecting all this. These are group A, group team 1, team 2. So I'm selecting all this. I can group this, Control G for group, modify center pivot, and I'm selecting all this. Control G for group, modify center pivot. Okay, let me apply one material. Right click, assign new material. Again, I'll apply blend only. I'll make it black color. I'll select this group, press up arrow, entire group will select. Assign new material. Again, I'll apply blend. I'll add white color like this. Okay. Okay. So there is one more thing, that rookie we have to create. This we haven't created rookie. This one. We see this one because this is another type of model that requires other skills, means that separately we'll do. Okay. So
Okay.
that's it. We are done with this. Let me save this model. Okay. So I'll show you how does this looks when you apply, when you do the lighting. In settings, I'm using Arnold. Arnold light, physical sky. See guys, we are getting an output something like this. Okay. Understood. So a lot of even we can have a photorealistic output. So we can make it look like so real. A lot of adjustments and all we need to do. That we'll do later. File, save image. So when I save image, so I'll save this as JPEG. So it automatically saves in the project folder, images folder, project images folder. Okay.
Yes.
So any doubt is there, guys? We have done a lot of things today, but many things are duplicate only. Okay. Any doubts? Just focus on
Yes.
modeling. If you have doubt in applying material or lighting, that anyhow we can see later, but focus on modeling.
Okay.
Okay, then you let me know if you have any doubt. Okay, see, entire thing I have done in Maya 18. I want you guys to do this.
Okay.
You can reach out to me if you have any doubts. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay, sir.
fine. Refer the video. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you guys. Bye.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.
Bye.